The CBI has moved an application in court saying that former Finance Minister P Chidambaram can be sent to judicial custody. That's Tihar jail. Now, Kapil Sibal, arguing for Mr. Chidambaram, said that CBI said that the accused is a powerful and influential person, hence should be sent to judicial custody. But here it's all documentary evidence, so no case of tampering or influencing the evidences. Those are the arguments that are going on in court just now. That's the news just coming in moments ago, that CBI has moved the application saying P Chidambaram can be sent to Tihar jail, that is the judicial custody. Sukirti Dwivedi now joins me for more on this. Sukirti, take us through the arguments happening in court.
Well, yes, right now, Rohit, what is happening is that Chidambaram's bail plea from the CBI is being heard right now in the special CBI court. What is happening is that Mr. Kapil Sibal, Mr. Chidambaram's lawyer, is saying that there is no need for any judicial custody. For 15 days, the CBI had custody of him. If there were any questions they had to ask, they could have asked him there. There are no chances of Mr. Chidambaram tampering with evidence. CBI so far has been making this argument that he is a powerful, influential person who could tamper with evidence. But he is saying that these are all documents and those documents are already with the CBI. So there is no question of Mr. Chidambaram tampering them now. But Mr. Tushar Mehta, who is the Solicitor General and representing the CBI in court right now, is trying to counter those arguments by saying he's trying to cite the judgment by the Supreme Court today morning, where the ED, where the anticipatory bail from ED was rejected. In both from the CBI as well as the ED, the common thread is the INX Media case. So even that verdict was with regard to the INX Media case and the documents regarding them. So Mr. Mehta is trying to say that the anticipatory bail from ED was rejected because the Supreme Court to some extent agrees with what the agency is saying, that there is a chance that Mr. Chidambaram could tamper with evidence. Mr. Mehta is saying that I can even prove that there is a strong chance of tampering with evidence in this case. Mr. Chidambaram could tamper with evidence, and that is why he should be sent to judicial custody. That means that he should be sent to Tihar. However, Mr. Kapil Sibal, Mr. Chidambaram's lawyer, has so far been trying to avoid a situation where Mr. Chidambaram has to go to Tihar. First, they got an interim protection from the Supreme Court, and now today he is arguing that now the ED is free to arrest me because of ED is free to arrest Mr. Chidambaram because of Supreme Court rejecting the anticipatory bail from ED. So let ED take Mr. Chidambaram's custody, but do not send Mr. Chidambaram to Tihar. So at this point, Mr. Kapil Sibal strongly trying to make a case that Mr. Chidambaram doesn't have to go to Tihar jail. If he has to be under custody, let ED take his custody. But all of it now also depends on whether the Enforcement Directorate is going to move a petition anytime soon to take custody of Mr. Chidambaram. Otherwise, at this point, what it looks like is that if Mr. Chidambaram does not get a bail, he will be sent to Tihar jail immediately after he comes out of the special CBI court. Rohit.